Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you guys doing today? So today we are making this kimono kaftan jacket, and it's going to have a build-up neckline on it, and we are using this beautiful doll face material to design the ankara. That's the build-up neckline. It's going to have a doll face material on it. You can see how beautiful it is, and we are using this beautiful ankara to make this beautiful style that you can see me rocking. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Please ask them to also subscribe. You can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and also learn from it. So guys, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please I will employ you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful style on your own. So another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials down to the end. Please let's get started now with our tutorials.
So this is the materials that we are using for our kimono jacket. So this is the fabric. So this is the Accra material and the doll face material. So what I will do now is just for me now to spread it out so that we'll start with our measurement, and it has a build-up neck that we'll use this doll face to build it up. So what I will do now just for me now to lay it, and we'll get our measure started. So this is how you also make it when making your own. So I will also show you how to put the pocket, because it has a pocket on it. So you just sit, relax, and watch it to the end so that you see the outcome of this beautiful kimono jacket that we are making. So now I will start with my measurement. Let's get started with the measurement. So my length that I'm having there is 28, and that is my length. So that is my length that I'm using to get this measurement that we want to use. So after that, now it's just for me now to show you the width. My width that I'm having there is 11.5. So that's my width that I'm having. That is what I've folded it out there. So it's 11 that we are using. Coming to the neck, I'm marking 3.5. So I'm giving it at 3.5. And what we are marking here now is the back that we are marking first. So to the depth of the neck, so what I'm marking also is 1 inch that I'm giving it out. Alright, so just follow every detail that you can see me doing here and do it on your own, and it will come out very good. So that is that my neck line is a round neck that we are using at the back. So coming to the slope of our shoulder, what I'm marking there is 1 inch, and we'll now slope it, and it will is cut together that I'm marking, that I'm using, because it will form the sleeve on it. So we'll not attach any sleeve, so everything will go and it will form the sleeve. So after that, now it's just for me now to mark to my armhole. What I'm marking there to my armhole is 8, so I'm giving it out by 8, and that's where you will start your sewing and you take it down. So I'm just showing you what to do. So can you see how it is now? So our width that we are having there is 11 that I want to mark there. So coming to my half length, so I'm just covering it out for it to have a little shape on it, on that plate that you can see me doing it there now. So this is how it will be. So that is where you will sew, and it will get your armhole and it will form that sleeve. So I'm marking my length, my half length, but I'm not giving it actually to my half length. My half length is 16, but what I'm marking there is 13. So that is where I want that shape to come out. So what I'm marking there is 10.5 that I'm marking. Remember, the width that we use is 11. So on that line that I'm marked to my half length that I'm using is 10.5. So we just take it down and it will come out very good. So that is what I've done there now. So what I want to do is for me now to cut our neckline. So this is how you also go about it when making your own. So please guys, always watch my tutorial to the end and share it to your friends so that they too can learn from it and sew it on their own. So this is how you also make your own when making your own. Remember, it's the bar that we'll use first. So what I will do now is just for us now to cut it out and use it to lay at the back front side place and cut out. So we are using the back first to cut, so that the back cutting now that we are making now. So after that, just for us now to lay it and cut from the front side. And the front we have a V neckline using our doll face material to sew it and get our build up neck. So this is how you go about it when making your own. All right, so this is the front now that we want to cut now. So this is how you lay it. So I've laid it down now using the back now to cut it out. So can you see what I've done there now? Please always watch my tutorial and watch it to the end so that more people can see it and learn from it. And also, if you have your fabric, why not bring it out and use it to cut? So what I'm marking there at my neckline is also that 3.5 for the neck, using the back neck to lay on it and cut it out. Just see what I'm doing and look at it and do it the way you are seeing me doing, and it will come out very good. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. So this is how you also make it when making your own. Can you see what I've done there now? So I will just cut now and cut it the way you see me doing on it. So I will also give my neckline for the back, for the front. So this is how you also cut it. I will also show you how to give that neckline for the front side, because it's V neckline that we are cutting on the front, while the back neck is round, and that is what I'm cutting out first. So can you see what I've done there now? So this is where you cut it out, to cut it out now. So this is my front neck now that I want to give out. Is V neckline that we are using to make this beautiful jacket that we are making. So can you see what I've marked there now? I'm marking 8. So to bring it down, I will just open it out because it has opening at the front, using our doll face to achieve this our build up neckline that we want to make. So this is how you go about it. So I'm trying to open it out now for you to see. So this is how you also make it when making your own. So, and this is the V neckline that we want to have at our front side of this jacket that we are making. So this is how you also go about it. So what I will do, I will also show you how to place it now. So this is how you do it when making your own. So just follow every detail you can see me, and this is the doll face that we want to use to make this build up neckline that we want to make at the front, and to go around to the neck. So this is the material now. I've folded it out now. So let me measure the length for you now to see what I'm marking there. Is 2 that piece that we want to use. So one will go for the front side at the other side, while the other one will go and we come back to the next side. So this is the 2 inch, that is the width is 2 inch that we are having. So this is how you also make it when making your own. So after that, it will now return to 1.5. So it's 2 inch. So now we've done it. I've gone to the machine and stitch it out. So can you see how it is now? The build up neckline is ready, so you can see how it is now. So what I'm marking there is my half length now, where it will have the pocket. What I'm marking is 16 under my waistline, so that's my 16 there that I'm marking, and that's where you place the pocket. And you see me doing it also. Just relax and watch everything that you can see me doing and do it. That's my 16. So after that, now just for me now to cut the pocket now. So I want to cut the pocket so that you can see what I want to do there now. So can you see how it is now? So I folded it, and I will also tell you this width of it now. So my width that I want to use for this pocket is 6. So I'm folding it by 6, but so by the time I spread it out, it will come out 12. So what I'm marking there is 6. So can you see how it is? So the length now is 11. So that's my 11, and I will cut it. After that, we'll just go to the machine and stitch it, and before then we also iron it out so that it will get that fine stitch when following the pattern that we are making here now. So this is how you also make it. So this is how you fold it and go and stitch it to iron it together. Just iron everything round. This how you go about it, both the downside, the upper side, and this how you achieve it. And it will have this Accra that you want to put at the upper side of this pocket. So this how you also do it. So I will take to the machine and go and do that now, and it will be ready. So I've done that. So I want to show you how to place it now. So I've ironed it also. Can you see how it is now? So you place it on that line that I marked from the shoulder to my half length is 16, and there's where I will place the pocket now, using my pin to pin it down for you to see what I will go and do on the machine and stitch it out. So let me just pin it down for you to see how it will come out and where to place it. Your own can be, that is your half length, can be 16, can be 15, can be 17, depend on your half length, and that is where your pocket will start. And that is what I've done there now. My half length is 16, and that is where I'm placing my pocket. So you can see what I'm doing here now. So just do it and it will be very beautiful. So just have your fabric and try it and see that it will come out very good. So this is the one of the side of the pocket. So I will also pin the other side of the pocket for you now to also see. So this is how you go and do it, and it will come out very good. You can use it on your jean and your skirt. It will be very beautiful. So this is the second sleeve now. So just place it on your half length, and this is my half length that I'm placing it under my half length that I've marked 16. So this is how you also place it. So all this that I'm doing is just to show you what I'll go and do on the machine. So I want you guys to also do it on your own when finishing watching this video. Just go and have your fabric and do it, and it will come out very good the way you are seeing me doing it now. So that is how it is now. So let me place it well for you to see very well how it is. So you can see that we have not even gone and sew it down, but it has come out the way we just pin it. So this is how you also do it when making your own. So just follow every detail. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, and share it to your friends. Give it a thumbs up. So can you see how it is now? So I've done that. So now is the sleeve. Now we have done that. Now that is placed the pocket. So we have your knit out, and you can see how it is very beautiful. It has come out very fine.
So our
I
kimono
just want
bubu
you guys to do
kaftan
it the way you see me
jacket
doing it
is
now.
ready for us to wear out. It's very beautiful. We made use of doll face material to get the build up neck collar. Very beautiful. You can see how beautiful it is. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. If I've not done that, please just pause and subscribe now to my channel. You can also give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. So guys, you can see how beautiful our jacket came out. Very beautiful. Just follow the procedure that we use in making this jacket. So another way for you to support my channel is for you to please watch my tutorials down to the end. Please watch it down to the end to support my channel to grow. Thank you so much for always stopping by to always watch our tutorials. I'm grateful. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for your messages also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on Friday. Bye bye.